So what we got is a Land Rover Discovery. It's a 2014. And what we've done on this is we fully integrated factory style Apple Carplay and Android Auto on the original system. So it's the original Bosch system that comes with it. And when you press the navigation button, it switches over to the CarPlay system. It's fully wireless and wired, and you can use all your favorite apps right on the screen, just like you would ever do on a factory style unit. So if you want this integrated on your Land Rover, see the link down below. Also retains your factory reverse camera. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you in the next video.